Hi guys, I'm Keshav Puri, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Today I'm looking at the Redmi Note 8 Pro so that you can take an informed choice on whether this is the ideal smartphone for you. Redmi's Note series is one of the most successful smartphone series in the world. Redmi Note 8 series launched in 2019 was an instant hit. Redmi claims Redmi Note 8 Pro to have the best camera in the segment along with a host of other best-in-class features. Let's go ahead and explore all that Redmi Note 8 Pro has to offer. Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 64 megapixel quad camera setup with a macro lens and a wide-angle lens. The macro lens brings you closer to your subject and the wide-angle lens lets you cover more in every frame. The 64 megapixel primary camera provides impressive image quality as is evident from the images. The camera excels when it comes to portraits where it is amply aided by the 2 megapixel depth sensor and some really cool artificial intelligence. It also has night mode capability, making it an ideal choice for photography lovers. The 20 megapixel selfie camera with AI portrait mode can make your selfies look stunning by blurring out the background to make your portrait stand out. This phone is powered by a whopping 4500 mAh battery. I've been using this phone for some time now and can tell that this battery will easily last more than a day under normal usage. Also, this ensures that you can spend hours watching your favorite videos or playing games without worrying about charging the phone. On top of it, this phone recharges super fast with the 18-watt fast charging, which takes only around 1.5 hours to fully charge. From an immersive experience to interactive gaming, this phone has it all. The crux of its strength lies in the processor, which is the MediaTek G90T processor. The processor offers impressive performance while using day-to-day apps and also gives an excellent output, making Redmi Note 8 Pro one of the best gaming devices in its class. The gaming experience which will definitely surprise you at this price point. Also, this phone has a 6.53-inch screen with a screen that covers almost 91.4% of the body. It offers a superior video viewing and gaming experience. Also, the HDR screen is bright, vibrant and very easy to the eye. A superior viewing experience which is comparable to flagship smartphones. Besides all these amazing features, the phone also has a cool design and it comes with up to 8GB RAM and up to 128GB internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512GB. You can choose to go for this as per your needs. So friends, as Redmi claims, this Redmi Note 8 Pro is a beast by all means. It's a perfect match of top-notch camera experience, sturdy hardware and smooth software. It has set a benchmark for what you would expect from phones at this price point. Here's a tip for the purchase of your next phone. Do check out Flipkart's complete mobile protection program that takes care of any damage to your phone at minimal price. You could also check out the hassle-free exchange policy, which will give you maximum value for your current smartphone. That's it from me, Keshav, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for a new mobile phone.